5 a.m. About to leave for the airport. Board in about 5 minutes.
Are you December?
Yeah. So, getting on the plane now.
Good morning, how are you? 17C, perfect, just down here.
Water quiz. Just arrived in Mexico, 35 minutes out of schedule. Good job, Air Transat. It's so hot. I'm still wearing sweats. It's like 40 degrees out here. I was gonna change into my swimsuit in here, but some guy clogged the toilets, flooded all around this washroom. So that's gonna be an issue. First impressions of this place so far? Pretty good, except for the flooded washroom. That was kind of not good. But I mean, this place is beautiful. It's now 3 o'clock. Finally got our rooms assigned. It's a bit of an administration mess right now, but you know, I'll talk about that later. Room tour. This is the shower. This is the toilet. This is the bed. This is the balcony. Alright, 7:30 in the morning, and I'm gonna go check out the infinity pool. One of our rooms backs out into this pool, and it's kind of in a closed off corner, so no one really comes here. Like, you can see behind me, but no one there. It's like a little private pool right here. It's 10 a.m. now. I think I'm gonna head to the beach. So just got back from the beach. Just got news that our rooms are probably gonna be switched around, so I'm gonna clear up the room, grab some lunch, and then see where we go from there. I have no clue how to pronounce this, but I'm gonna order the Guadalajara. Yeah, it's not gonna end up well. delicious.